Hey guys, today we're making these delicious mini pizzas. These pizzas are so delicious and are probably the best ones you've ever had. They're just so amazing and super delicious. Okay, so we're going to start off in a bowl and you're going to add in your flour. Next, you're going to make 2 holes to put the salt and the yeast in. Add in your instant yeast and your salt. Then you can add in your sugar and then give all of these ingredients a good mix. Once it's all mixed in together, you can set that to the side into a separate container or a jug. You can add in your water. Now make sure your water is warm for this. And your milk. Then you're going to give it a quick stir. Next, add in your bowl to your machine if you've got one, or you could use your hand if you haven't got a machine, and add in the dough attachment. Then you can slowly start adding in your beaten egg. Once that's in and combined, you can start adding in your water and milk mixture. Now I have added in the oil into that mixture. Add in your wet ingredients slowly. And use as required. Now I did end up using all of the liquid for this, but it really does just depend. Then you're going to keep mixing this until it all comes together. Make sure you knead it well. Once it's done, it should be a soft dough. Then you can form it into a ball shape, and you can oil your bowl and your dough, and then you can cover it in some plastic wrap. Then you can put a cloth over it and then leave it in a warm place to rise for around 2 hours. Once it's risen, you can pull it away from the sides. And then punch it down. And then make it into a ball shape. Then you're going to take a pinch off and roll it in your hands and then start stretching it to make a mini pizza base. Make sure your base isn't too thick as it does rise in the oven. Place this on a sprayed baking tray and make the rest. Once that's all done, you can add in your pizza sauce by just spreading it over the top, and of course you can use any one that you like. Once you're done adding the sauce to all of them, it's time for the toppings. You can use any toppings that you like. Here I'm just adding some chicken, and if you're a pineapple on a pizza kind of person, then you can add in some pineapple, some chopped veggies. Here I've got some onions, peppers and tomatoes, and finally the cheese. Be generous with the cheese. And then you can do it to all your pizzas. Then you're going to bake these in your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Keep an eye on them, and once the cheese is melted, you can take it out and let it cool. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make these mini pizzas, and are definitely super amazing. They have the perfect flavor, and they are just super delicious. Perfect for a tea time party. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, be sure to give it a giant thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every Sunday. I'll see you in my next video.